In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect XM to MT4. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to actually go to your accounts up top, and then you want to create an MT4 account, okay? So here you can go with a real or demo account. I'm just going to click on the demo one for this tutorial, new account, and then demo. And then make sure you select MT4 as the platform, click on continue, and just go ahead and basically set everything up as you want. Set your password, which by the way is very important, so make sure you remember that. And then after that, you'll be able to create your MT4 account. Now after this, go to more over here on the left, click on platform up top, and then here you want to click on MT4 platform. This is going to take you to a separate tab where you basically can download the MT4 version of XM, so XM MT4 for your PC. And then whenever you do that, you'll be able to basically just open it up on your computer. Okay, so as you can see, if I look on MT4 right now, I have the XM MT4 app. I'm going to open it right now. There we go. And then everything is going to scan. Just click on next, and then you're good to go. So from here, you then want to be on XM, click onto your account. And then when you have your account selected, click on manage and then account information. Here you will have this ID and then the server as well. So I'm going to copy my ID over here, and then the server is just demo. So I'm going to remember this. Go to file, top left, inside the XMMP4, click on login to trade account. The login is going to be that number. The password is the one you set, okay? So I'm just going to type that in. There we go. And then your server, for me, it's going to be the demo. I'm going to click on that and press login. And then just like that, as you can see, I'm now logged into my account over here. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.